China is continuously developing advanced technology, which are integrated with their ambitious fighter jets. The mysterious sixth-generation stealth fighter, also known as Chengdu J-36, has marked a significant step forward of China's developing advanced fighter jets. Recently, the J-36 fighter has taken its fourth test flight and demonstrated its new secretive features, which were not seen before. So, if you are interested to know, then stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to get first update. New footage has emerged of the largest of China's two new tailless stealth fighters, widely referred to as the J-36, although the designation remains unconfirmed. The video in question is perhaps the most impressive view of the aircraft so far and shows the unique three-engine jet on final approach to land at its maker's factory airfield in the province of Sichuan in southwestern China. We don't know for sure when the footage dates from, but it's the latest evidence of the progress being made in the testing of both this and China's other tailless stealth fighter. The latest video comes after a relative flurry of recent imagery showing the J-36, following its apparent first flight on December 26th and a second appearance last month. The footage is notable, however, for the fact that we see the aircraft at unusually close quarters as it sweeps low over a freeway just outside the airfield perimeter. Filmed from inside a car, the J-36 is seen as it prepares to touch down, with its heavy-duty landing gear deployed, featuring twin wheels on each unit, and with its large twin-split rudder vanes working as stabilizing air brakes, also clearly visible. The video provides what's probably our best view so far of the J-36's cockpit area, which is notably streamlined with the top mold line of the forward fuselage. Combined with the aircraft's very broad nose section, this strongly appears to indicate a side-by-side seating arrangement, with a single pilot's helmet or ejection seat headrest visible. This seems to rule out a tandem two-seat configuration, and a single pilot cockpit also remains a possibility. In the side view of the jet provided in the video, we also get another good look at the dorsal engine air intake and its apparent diverterless supersonic inlet (DSI) design, with a prominent hump and forward-raked upper area. As the jet gets closer to the runway, the camera also gets a good view of the exhausts for its three engines, a unique power plant arrangement for a modern combat jet. The J-36 also wears some kind of splinter-type camouflage scheme with distinct lighter-looking panels around the dorsal intake and aft of it. This is a feature that was visible in previous, much poorer quality images showing the upper surfaces of the aircraft. Some kind of mirror-like coating, the like of which we have seen on all of America's stealthy tactical jets for testing purposes, should not be ruled out either. Meanwhile, lighter-colored areas on portions of the leading edges of the wings indicate the likely presence of apertures for electro-optical TOS infrared sensors. The video has already been geolocated, confirming that it shows the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation factory airfield in the city of the same name, in Sichuan province, where the jet was first sighted back in December. While the location of the factory airfield means flight testing is conducted in view of the public, this was also the case for the J-20 stealth fighter, prototypes of which have been seen making the exact same approach as the J-36. As we have observed in the past, in December, the airfield has also received a new shelter large enough to accommodate the aircraft on the flight test line where aircraft are readied for sorties. This means the J-36 can at least be prepared for flight and undergo final checks while hidden from onlookers and satellites. A similar structure, with an access-controlled barrier around it, also appeared on the airfield's primary apron last summer. While the latest video of the J-36 on approach to the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation provides us with our best view so far of this still enigmatic aircraft, the sheer quantity of imagery of the jet that has emerged in the last month or so points to a notable ramping up of test flying activity. As long as this goes on, new secrets about this intriguing design will surely be revealed.